So good afternoon everyone. Ako po si Jetro Hortilano of an agricultural student from UP Agricultural School. At ito po ang aking garden plot na may tanim na eggplant or Solanum melongena. At nagpatubo din po ko ng ating radish, which is Derapanus sativus. So, ang ating lagay na organic fertilizer po dito is corn cobs and dry salt. And our insect repellent is made of a mixture of vinegar and molasses. At ang ating check po natin kung ano nabili natin. Hindi ko alam kung makita. Yan. Labo. So hindi po makita, i-explain ko lang. So meron po tayo ditong fruit flies, may aphids, sap beetles, at so far wala pa po akong nakikitang black ants na attracted sa molasses. So yun lang po, and thank you very much.